All right, so let's talk about how we're going to be doing our TRF. So let's review, and then if you're in CTLS, hope you kind of saw some of the stuff I got going on. All right, so due by the end of class is going to be your TRF. Okay. Notice I wrote this in outline notes, so that way y'all can get better look at how it goes. Notice how you got the different indentions. Everybody see that so far? So some of y'all are doing outline notes. This ain't if it ain't this, you ain't doing outline notes. So just know that you want to make sure you do better with that. Point of confidence. If you have above a 90% in a class, you can do a point of confidence, but you would not get any credit for your TRF if you do not follow all these steps and complete that. If you understand that, say yes. Now, again, if you got 90% in all your core classes, you have that option. You just got to make sure you can do it, but you need to do all of this right here that is stated and listed. Now, for everybody else, you want to make sure you do your TRF. So you can click on that link, get a TRF. It has to be fully electronically completed, meaning you cannot do a paper TRF. If you do a paper TRF, you got a zero. You have to do electronic TRFs. Everything has to be here electronically done, meaning there's no links. Everything has to be put in. If you want to do it as a screenshot or a picture, that's fine. Does that make sense? Because I know a lot of y'all, when you get to this back end, as far as your graphic organizer, y'all put a lot of links in. Again, you still could do it, but it has to be a formatted picture. If you understand that, say yes. Okay. And what you're going to do this time is use Magic School. So you're going to go to Magic School and you're going to select AVID TRF feedback. And then what you're gonna do is upload, not copy and paste, but upload your TRF here. If you're good there so far, say yes. Okay. Hit generate, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna get feedback based on the TRF rubric. Does everybody follow me on that? It'll tell you good things, bad things, also give you a score. Submit only one time, only once, and then you're gonna copy and paste that feedback back here to CTLS right here, and then that's gonna be your TRF submission. Is everybody clear there? Okay. So that's how you're submitting the TRs moving forward. So make sure that this is what you do. So just to recap one more time, complete the completed TRF, which is here on this link. Everything filled in. Make sure you even have your vocabulary using Magic School, for example. Going back to Magic School, sentence starters. This is a great bot to use to help you use your vocabulary in complete sentences. So use it because if you don't have it, you're gonna get a zero there for that vocabulary portion. The critical thinking. You all are very good with doing critical thinking as far as using your graphic organizers. I did have a student yesterday that came in and legit, she could not do a graphic organizer. But guess what she did? She came and talked to me about it. So she don't have to worry about this for the TRF. Does that make sense? So otherwise, I look for you guys, gals and folks, to have graphic organizers there. You still need to make sure you have the critical thinking symbols there as well. And it's just the same. And then as far as your source should always be your focus layered notes that you did for that class. You do not need to worry about submitting your focus notes here. You would just upload not only the feedback from Magic School, but also your focus notes that went with that TRF here to CTLS. And that'll be the only thing you submit to CTLS. Everybody got me on that? You follow me there? So what do you submit here to CTLS for your TRS? Your focus notes and what else? The feedback for your TRF in Magic School. Where's the only place you submit your TRF? Magic School. Do you need to submit a TRF here? Would you get any credit by submitting a TRF here? No, because where are you supposed to submit it? In Magic School, which is going to give you all that feedback, which I hope that you actually read because I'm forcing you to copy and paste it to read it. All right. Are there any questions about your submission for the TRS moving forward? Go ahead. Yeah, so you have class time to complete the TRF today. So again, it's gonna be due at the end of class today, so you have class time to complete it. You still always have class time to work on your TRFs. Today you're gonna have a whole class period because what I'm gonna do is just kind of tell you everything we got to get done today, and then y'all do the order of operations what's important. But again, this is due at the end of class today. Say it again, louder. You mean in here? You can't go back. You should be able to go do multiple submissions. Okay, so remind me when I get on my computer. I can do that. Any other questions? So to get into magic, how do you get into magic school? Yeah, it's on the class board. So you go to the class board, and there's a link to it directly there. It's the pin. It's the first thing you see when you go to the class board. And this little hyperlink says Magic School. You just click on it, and you just go right into Magic School from there. Is everybody clear there? Yep. And remember, you also get credits just for using Magic School. And you should definitely be using it. Now, seeing a lot of you all are using Magic School, which is good. So I'm not going to put that because it has all your names and what y'all doing. But keep utilizing it because it is a tool to help you out. Okay. Is everybody clear? Any questions? All right. Sorry.